how's the market in Loudoun County and Fairfax County? That is what I'm going to tell you right now. I'm Kim Barber with Kim Barber Group and eXp Realty, and I've helped thousands of owners and agents with real estate since 2004. So without going into big long stories like I normally do, I want to jump into the facts. Well, we're going to go over to the facts, which I'm going to do right now. What I want to share with you is the interest rates, right? So I, of course, am not a lender, but I do want you to know that they've pretty stabilized. And so you're going to hear different things as far as the nationals, averages and things like that, and what they're going to predict in the future. I might just encourage you to say that we don't really know, but I think that they're doing, hopefully they're going to do a lot to get a hold of inflation. Now, has it had an impact on our housing market? That's what I want to talk about right now. So I know that this might not be the easiest things for us to see, so we'll flash some numbers to you right here, right? So just go ahead and take a peek at where the thing is, and I'm going to read it to you, right? So what this says is that this is Loudoun and Fairfax County, right? This is coming directly from our MLS. So this is like straight off the press. And this is showing me, what I'm going to share with you is this is June to August, right? June to August, Loudoun and Fairfax County. So the trends that we look at are average days on market and the median sales price, right? Those are some of the things, like is the prices going up? Are they going down? And what we can look at is average sales price and the days on market. So in May 2022, in case you can't read it, it's right here. It was 8 days on the market. And then in June, it was 10. July, it's 14. In August, 18, right? So what that means is that houses are sitting longer, but gosh, they're not even sitting for 30 days, right? But what it means is that it's more fair of a market. I've been waiting for this for a long time. And if you're a buyer, you have to, people are getting to do home inspections, and we've even had a couple of people ask for, we have not, actually we did have one, but we in general are seeing more reasonable terms. And what I was going to say there is that we did have one of our sellers that was willing to help out one of the VA buyers buy their first home and give some seller credit. Okay, so anyway, look, 8 to 18 days. A healthy market means that, you at least typically have 30 days. We've gotten very spoiled through the years, right? And so 8 to 18 days. So that means some are still going to sell. We have homes that have sold in a couple of days. We have houses that are in the market today. We have 3 listings going on the market today, and they're all, getting showings. So it still has a lot to do with marketing. Sellers, you can't just throw the house on the market and expect that it's going to sell. I never advise that anyway, unless you're needing to price it low and get a house on the market and sold fast. But you can't just throw it over the fence anymore. Or you can, you're just not going to make as much money. And that's okay. It's whatever you want to do and the strategy. So anyway, so let's look at the pricing. This is averages, right? Summer, they have peaks and valleys. And so this is both counties. So May, 710, June, 690, July, 660, and then we had 649. Now this is both counties combined. And so, what I want to share with you is just kind of isolating it down to one of the counties. Okay, so this is just Loudoun County, and the numbers here, 7, 8, 13, 18. This is average days on market from May until August, 7, 8, 13, 18. And then the average sold median, right, is 692K, right, 700,000, and it's gone to 663,000. I can see on the bigger screen over there. Okay, so is that huge? I've always been predicting, 5 to 10%. That's kind of what I predicted, but this is because people's budgets, are still the same, right? So there's an adjustment. Do we have a big fear? I don't think so. I mean, this is what I've been predicting the whole time. It's healthier. It allows sellers to go buy their next home and the vice versa. But that is the numbers. And so I expected to continue to see a slowdown. I think there's just so much uncertainty, but the rates have stabilized. So anyway, that's the market. If you would like to have a free real estate conversation, chat about your strategy and how we can help you, as always, Christine and myself are happy to have a conversation with you, see how we can help you out. There's a lot of financial stuff that's available out there for first-time home buyers, conventional money that, a lot of our buyers are also buying at a high value. Those rates are actually better then some of the lower ones in the rates have come down a bit. Okay, so hopefully this helps out, gives you an idea of what's going on, and then you can also see that the variance is very similar from county to county. This is Loudoun, but they similarly are doing the exact same thing. All right, that we talked about in the other report. All right, if you found this helpful and you're watching it on YouTube, please give me the thumbs up, subscribe to our channel so that we can give you more information about how the market is and helpful tips and tricks when you're buying and selling a home.